Hi guys, today I'll be sharing with you my grandma's easy corn curry recipe. A couple of days ago, my mom had made this and I was very skeptical about it because I never had corn in curry. Have you? I don't think so. Well, I always have corn on the cob or steamed corn with butter. That's just amazing. But when I had tried it, I was in love. I could not stop eating it. My favorite part of it was when dipping the empty cob inside the curry and sucking on it. It's delicious. You have to try it. So just watch this video and do try it out.